So guys, so I'm with my brother. Like I just do good one. So well, catch me in my video. So, oh, hmm. So I'm gonna play some more Minecraft. More fun play, Minecraft fun play. So it wasn't, but the queen already died. We died. So it brought it to me again. Oh, do you remember when I spawned you down? So I'm looking like, so I remember the one. Two dogs have spawned, so Grim already died because we're done really, really hard space. So, so like, I'm gonna play with you guys. Like, not this, like, just play together in my server. Like, if I could just show you, let's do one apartment. Ah, oh my gosh, I got them. This person can play. What do you want this kid? What do you want me to use as a skin? Do you want me to use TNT, Darbo, Flying Blue, GC Titan, what is the one? Control Freak 92, Justice 149, sorry, but this one. So, sorry for the 24 minutes. Recording on YouTube and my brothers playing Minecraft. Minecraft and Pocket Updation on this children's tablet. So it's going to be like 5 minutes. And we need to know what is Minecraft can like play Minecraft with me. That's a controller. It's using my laptop and I'm using like my computer, so I could play. And so if you do know how to get out of download Minecraft with no password, so yeah, it's just go to like go to Google and type in the Google tab Minecraft Angel see the launcher download and find like JPC speed and download file, put it in your inbox and work ready to go. So this is oh okay.
Ma,
So that's my mom
ora ko yung
and then speaking also. Goodbye guys. See you later. Bye.